Hi, and welcome to another video in this introduction series about programming in Python. In this video, we will learn how to write code that asks us for input through the terminal. Now, we can start by creating a new file in the same directory as we have used now in the last two videos. Call this hello you. So, to make the code ask us for input, we need to make use of a Python function called input. So if you just write input, oops, and try to run this file over here in a terminal, it just stops executing. And now we have to provide some kind of input. So we can just type hi and hit enter. And that's it. But of course, this is not useful in any way because we haven't stored or done anything with this input. So to make use of this input, we can define a variable over here. So if you just write text like this and equals to input, now the input that we provide, like we done here, will be stored in this variable. And now let's make use of this variable to maybe just print out this input and try to run it again. And we say hi again, and it prints hi. So to make this a little bit more relatable, maybe we should write some more code. Maybe we should write something that says, what's your name? And ask us to write that and print out an answer. So first then just write print above the input so that we actually get some output before we have to provide input. And say, what is your name? And then instead of just printing our input, we can then say hello and reference the variable again. And as you see, by adding this plus sign over here, means that Python merges this variable over here with this content here. So this will now be one string that is printed out in the terminal. So if you go back now to our terminal and run the code again, it says, what's your name? And my name is Endre, so I'll just type that and hit enter. And it says, hello, Endre. So just for fun, maybe we should add another input for your age. So just print how old are you? And store another variable for your age. And just print, let's say, age plus another string is a good age. And run this again. And again, my name is Endre, and how old am I? Well, who knows? Let's say 40. Hit enter and prints that again. So now that you have learned how to provide input to your code, in the next video we will start learning about conditionals. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment field below and I will try to answer them the best I can.